Hey guys, I'm Ryan Raymond, and tonight we're going to discuss the favorites module in Merch Informer. And if you haven't subscribed to Merch Informer yet, you can save 87% off the yearly pro subscription. Normal price is $719.88 for the year. And using my link at ryanaraymond.com/MIyearly, you're going to be able to get the Merch Informer Pro subscription for one full year for just $100. That's a savings of 87% off the sticker price. So let's jump into the module. So in Merch Informer, you're going to come over here on the left and click favorites, and you are going to be able to create categories. So let's say we were doing unicorn research tonight, and we had been in the products research module, and we had saved it to favorites or unicorns or wherever you were looking. And you're just going to click on your category, and as you have saved different shirts into your favorites list, as you've been doing your research for what might be some things you want to come back and reference to later, all you're going to have to do is come over here and click on the category that you have saved the shirts to, and you can download a full CSV file. So look at this. You just click download the products list. It's giving you a nice CSV file that you can open up and use for your research. So it's going to give you the link. It's going to give you the image URL for the t-shirt, the ASIN, the price, the features, descriptions, and the brand name. So all of that is going to be a great way that you can help build your research pile. So how do you add shirts to your favorites? So let's say we were in the product search, and we were looking for unicorn shirts as we were before, and you're looking through and you're wanting to do some research for unicorns. So look at this, a nice unicorn pumpkin. I want to add that to my unicorn list. Click favorites, the little heart right there, and select your favorites list. Hit submit. And now that's saved into that research list. And let's say we wanted to do this dabbing 9-year awesome since 2010 unicorn here, and we were adding that to our research list. Just click the little heart on the icon, add it to the unicorn list, and hit submit. And it's saved in your favorites right there. So there we go, another one, Big Sister finally. So we're getting an idea of what sort of things might be selling well in the unicorn niche, and you just keep adding them and saving them to your favorites list. And with your Merch Informer Pro subscription, you're going to be able to add this way more times than you're ever going to need. So make sure you check that out. So now that we've added these shirts to our unicorn favorites list, you're going to come here into your categories, click on unicorn, and your full product list of the shirts that you added to your favorites list are going to be right here for you to use later on. You can download them as a CSV file and get all of their information, or send these to your designer and say, hey, we're going to be targeting niches similar to these. We're not making these shirts as we've seen them here. We're going to come up with unique ideas, and we're going to make our own implementation to enter and take over these niches. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video on the favorites module in Merch Informer. And if you haven't yet, once again, ryanaraymond.com/MIyearly to save 87% off a yearly subscription to the Merch Informer Pro. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.